Again, another leap, another bound. All right, let's talk tech. The kind of tech that's not just incremental, but truly transformative. We're talking about the core of artificial intelligence and how it's evolving right before our eyes. Every day, AI gets smarter. It learns, adapts, and improves at an astonishing rate. It's writing poems that stir the soul, designing buildings that redefine skylines, and so much more, permeating every facet of our lives with its ever-growing capabilities. But the real challenge, the elephant in the room that everyone seems to be tiptoeing around. These models are power-hungry beasts, consuming vast amounts of energy to function. They're locked behind massive data centers, requiring specialized hardware and incurring huge costs that limit accessibility. What if that changed? What if we could break free from these constraints? Imagine AI just as smart, retaining all of its intelligence, but lean, fast, and efficient, requiring a fraction of the resources to operate. Microsoft just dropped WinA, Weight Implicit Neural Architecture. A mouthful, I know, but trust me, it's worth remembering. It represents a genuine breakthrough in AI efficiency, a new paradigm for how AI models are designed and deployed. This isn't a minor update or a simple tweak. It's a fundamental shift in how AI models work, a complete rethinking of the underlying architecture. WinA could put super-intelligent AI in more hands than ever before, democratizing access to powerful AI tools, faster processing, cheaper operation, and more accessible AI for everyone, regardless of their resources or technical expertise. This means smarter apps that anticipate your needs, better tools that empower creativity, and a lighter load on our planet, reducing the environmental impact of AI. Microsoft is rewriting the rulebook, setting a new standard for AI development. They're making AI powerful and efficient, proving that intelligence doesn't have to come at a high cost. Get ready, because things are about to change in a big way. We're diving deep into what makes WinA so special, exploring the intricacies of its design. We'll uncover how it works and why it's poised to be a true game changer in the world of AI. The age of efficient AI is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Let's see how everything is about to shift and what this means for the future of technology and society. So what exactly is this WinA magic we keep talking about? What makes it so special, and why are we so excited about its potential? Let's break it down piece by piece so you can understand the core principles behind this innovative technology. We'll explore how it works and what sets it apart from traditional AI models. At its heart, WinA is a new and improved way to run large language models. It's a fundamental shift in how these models operate, offering significant advantages in efficiency and performance. These large language models are the brains behind many of the AI tools you use every day, like ChatGPT. They're complex systems capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Traditional models, in their current form, wake up every single neuron for every single task, regardless of whether they're needed or not. It's like turning on every light in your house, even if you're only using one room. This approach wastes tons of energy and computing power, making these models expensive and environmentally unfriendly. The energy consumption is a significant barrier to wider adoption. WinA changes that paradigm completely. It introduces a smarter, more efficient way of processing information. With WinA, only the most relevant neurons activate for each specific job. It's a targeted approach that minimizes unnecessary processing. So for simple questions, just a few neurons fire, quickly providing the answer without straining the system. And for complex ones, more neurons join in, dynamically scaling the processing power to meet the demands of the task. The rest of the neurons stay dormant, conserving energy and resources. This selective activation results in saving huge amounts of power, making WinA a much more sustainable AI solution. WinA's structure is dynamic, meaning it can adapt and change based on the task at hand. It intelligently figures out which parts of the neural network to use on the fly, optimizing performance in real time. Unlike older methods that permanently cut neurons to reduce complexity, which can lead to a loss of knowledge and flexibility, WinA just puts them to sleep temporarily until they're needed again, preserving the full potential of the model. This means the model keeps all its knowledge and capabilities intact, ready to be deployed when necessary. But it only uses what's absolutely necessary for each specific query, ensuring maximum efficiency. The result of all this innovation? An AI that's incredibly fast, delivering rapid responses and processing information with remarkable speed. It's also remarkably light, meaning it can run on much less powerful hardware, opening up new possibilities for mobile and edge computing. It's like an orchestra where only the needed musicians play their instruments at any given time, creating a harmonious and efficient performance. But the music, or in this case the AI's performance, stays perfect, delivering accurate and reliable results. In essence, Winner delivers the power and intelligence of a massive, complex model, but with the efficiency and resourcefulness of a small one, making it a game changer in the world of AI. That's the revolution Winner is bringing to the table. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a fundamental shift in how we approach AI. How does Winner, our innovative AI, actually know which specific neurons within its vast network are the most appropriate and effective to utilize for a given task? It's a question that gets to the heart of Winner's efficiency and adaptability. It's not magic, but rather clever engineering, meticulously designed and implemented. The architecture allows for a level of precision and control that traditional AI systems simply can't match. First, Winner undertakes a comprehensive scan of its entire neural network. This initial scan is crucial for understanding the current state of the network and identifying potential pathways. It then proceeds to rank all the connections within the network based on their relative importance. This ranking process takes into account a variety of factors, including historical performance data and the specific requirements of the task at hand. Then, for each individual task, Winner dynamically sets a specific threshold. This threshold acts as a gatekeeper, determining which neurons will be activated and which will remain dormant. As a result, only the very top-performing neurons, those that exceed the set threshold, are activated and brought into play. This selective activation is key to Winner's efficiency. The remaining neurons, those that don't meet the threshold, effectively stand down, entering a low-power standby mode. This strategic deactivation leads to significant energy saving and reduced computational overhead. This innovative dynamic gating mechanism allows Winner to adapt its resource allocation for every single new query it receives, ensuring optimal performance in all situations. This ensures optimal efficiency, delivering the best possible results with minimal resource consumption. Unlike older, more traditional AI methods, which often involve destructive processes, Winner operates on a principle of preservation. It doesn't remove or prune any neurons from its network. This also means that Winner doesn't require extensive and time-consuming retraining cycles. The fully trained AI model remains completely intact, preserving all of its learned knowledge and capabilities. This eliminates the need for weeks or even months of costly and disruptive retraining. In a way, Winner acts like a highly skilled and discerning bouncer at an exclusive club. It's constantly evaluating and selecting only the most qualified VIPs, in this case, the most relevant and effective neurons, for each specific challenge it faces. This powerful combination of pre-ranking the network connections and dynamically gating the neuron activation is the secret sauce that makes Winner so uniquely effective and efficient. It's a deceptively simple idea at its core, but one that delivers a truly huge impact on AI performance and resource utilization. The result is a powerful and efficient AI system that's always ready for anything you throw at it. Say goodbye to the days of slow processing speeds and expensive, time-consuming retraining cycles. With Winner, you get instant results and smart, efficient resource management all in one package. Does Winner work in the real world? The results are stunning. Microsoft applied Winner to existing models and slashed computational costs. Sometimes just 0.5% of neurons were used, with no loss in accuracy. In some cases, Winner models even outperformed the originals. By focusing only on the most critical pathways, Winner reduces noise and sharpens output. And there's zero retraining. Just apply Winner and go. This saves time, money, and resources. Companies no longer have to choose between power and efficiency. Microsoft tested Winner on models like Llama, achieving full model performance with a fraction of the resources. These are leaps, not steps, in efficiency. Winner is practical, powerful, and ready to redefine AI benchmarks. To see why winner matters, let's look at what came before. Old methods like pruning permanently cut connections, risky and irreversible. Sparsity tried to make models lighter, but balancing it was tough and often required special hardware. Both methods needed costly retraining after changes. Winner sidesteps all this. It's non-destructive, dynamic, and adapts to each task. No retraining, no special hardware, no lost intelligence. You get plug-and-play efficiency. Just apply Winner to a trained model and it runs lean. It's a clean, simple, and powerful upgrade. The old ways look clumsy by comparison. Winner is the elegant solution AI has needed. Efficiency without compromise. Here's where it gets cool. Winner works like the human brain. When you focus on reading, your brain ignores background noise and distractions. Winner mimics this, activating only the neural experts needed for each task. It's computational attention, focusing resources where they matter most. Old AI models used brute force. Winner uses selective focus. Real intelligence is about knowing what to pay attention to and what to ignore. Winner embeds this principle at its core. It's not just efficient, it's more natural and intelligent. By learning to focus, Winner delivers better, more relevant answers. It's a step toward AI that thinks more like us. What does Winner mean for you? 3 things: cost, performance, and the planet. First, it slashes the cost of running AI, making it accessible to startups and innovators. Second, Winner models are so efficient they can run on your phone or laptop. No giant data centers needed. This means faster, more private AI features right on your device. Third, Winner cuts energy use, shrinking AI's carbon footprint. If widely adopted, it could save terawatts of power and help the environment. Cheaper AI means more innovation. Local AI means faster, more private apps. Efficient AI means a greener planet. Winner makes AI practical, personal, and sustainable. The benefits are everywhere. Winner is just the beginning of brain-inspired AI. Next up, even more specialized models, with circuits for writing, coding, or recall. Imagine AI that instantly knows which brain to use for each task, or self-optimizing systems that adapt their own architecture over time. Winner's principles could transform fields like self-driving cars and medical research. Smarter, more focused AI could spot critical objects or analyze complex data with less energy. The future is about smarter, more adaptable models, not just bigger ones. Winner is our first glimpse of that future. We're moving from brute force to elegant, focused thought. The brainy future of AI is just getting started. So, why should you care about Winner? It's changing the rules, shifting from bigger is better to smarter is better. Developers can build powerful AI features without massive budgets. Data scientists can experiment faster and cheaper. Winner lowers the barrier to entry, democratizing high-end AI. Efficiency and smart architecture are now core skills for tech professionals. Knowing how to leverage efficient AI will set you apart in the job market. Winner is a more sustainable, accessible path for AI. It's about progress without burning out our wallets or the planet. The shift from big AI to smart AI is happening now. Stay tuned, this is just the beginning.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTechLens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.